Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to cancel Ulta's order online. Open your web browser and go to the Ulta website. If you are not already logged in, click on the sign in or account link and enter your login credential. This will access your account. Look for the order history or my order section. This is typically located in your account dashboard or under a menu related to orders. In your order history, locate the specific order that you want to cancel. Click on the order to view its details. Within the order details page, there should be an option to cancel the order. This may be labeled as cancel order or something similar. Click on it to start the cancellation process. Ulta may ask you to provide a reason for canceling the order. Choose the appropriate reason from the provided options. After selecting the reason, confirm the cancellation. Ulta may ask for a final confirmation to ensure that you want to proceed with canceling the order. Once you confirm the cancellation, check the email associated with your Ulta account for a confirmation message. This email should indicate that your order has been successfully canceled. If you've already made payment for the canceled order, review Ulta's refund policy to understand the process and timeline for receiving a refund. Refunds are typically issued back to the original payment method. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.